Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Spider-Man. So first we're gonna get started with our eyes. So from the center, stepping over on the left, we're gonna curve this line up and out towards the side. We're gonna leave a gap in the middle, coming over on the right and curving this line up and across, ending that at roughly the same height as the left. Now from here, we're gonna connect this together. So on the bottom, we're gonna curve this line over and back through on the side. And then we're gonna replicate this as we move over, bringing that around and then in on the left, connecting that together. Let's draw on the rest of the lens for the eye. So coming up, we're gonna curve this line over and through towards the side. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the left, bringing that over and out. On the bottom, from that corner again, curving this line all the way around and then through on the side. And then from here, we're just gonna color in the lens of our eye black. Now let's draw on the shape of the head. So we're going to start on the left-hand side and we're going to curve this around and down on the right, just past our eye. We're going to continue to curve this around and then through towards the middle. And then we're going to start back on the right-hand side, curving this around, blending that back in together in the center. Let's draw on the web pattern on the head. So on the top, we're going to curve this line across. We're going to come through on the bottom, replicating that in the opposite direction. Let's start in the center. We're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly up towards the top of our page. And then we're going to come over on the right-hand side, bringing this diagonal line out. And then we'll do the same thing as we step up from our left eye. Now from here, we're going to move over, drawing in another diagonal line coming out. Let's drop down on the bottom. We're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming over and out towards the side. We're going to step up again, replicating that, curving that out and through underneath our eye. And then we're going to move across, just drawing in a straight line directly over towards the side of our head. Let's draw on our web pattern now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up towards the center, bringing this back down and over on the right. Let's move up again. We're going to curve this line around and through, back down, and then up on the side. And then from here, we're going to bring this down and across towards both of our eyes. Let's step up again. We're going to curve this line through towards the top, bringing this down and up from the center, over and across, and then back down and through on the right. Let's drop down again. We're going to arch this line down on both sides, curving that in. And then from here, we're just going to connect that with a curved line from left to right. Let's drop down. We're going to curve this line down towards the middle. And then from here, we're just going to draw in another arch line right in the center. Let's move down now and draw in the body. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down for the torso. We're going to line this up with the same height on the right-hand side, and we're just going to replicate that. Now let's come out for the arms. So for the bottom, we're going to curve this line across. We'll do the same thing on the right. And now let's step up. We're going to curve this line back over, ending that at the same height as the line on the bottom. And now from here, we're going to draw in our hand. So for the thumb, we're going to curve this line out, up, back in. On the right, we'll replicate that, bringing that out, around, and then back in. Let's move in towards the center now. For the finger, we're going to draw in an oval. Let's move across on the right, and we're just going to replicate that. Let's move in towards the top now. So for our pointer finger, we're going to curve this around and down, We're gonna do the same as we move down on our right hand. Now from here on the left hand side, we're gonna curve this around, up, and then in towards the middle. We'll do the same on the right and through. Now let's come down in towards the center. We're going to draw on the Spiderman symbol. So we're going to draw in a small circle on the top, coloring that in black. Underneath, we're going to curve this down towards the bottom from that point, bringing this back around and up. And again, just coloring that in black. Now from here, let's draw on the legs. So we're going to arch this out and then through towards the top. And then again, bringing this over and through towards the top. Let's come down on the bottom now. We're going to bring this diagonal line out and then in. And then again, moving across, bringing that down towards the middle. Now let's come down from that corner. We're going to curve this line in towards the center. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. Let's close off the web pattern on the inside now. So on both sides, we're going to bring this line down towards the middle. And then from here, we're going to curve this line up and over. And then for the wrist, closing that off, we're just going to curve that line up. Let's continue to draw on the web pattern now. So right in the center, we're just going to draw on a straight line that comes directly down towards the middle. We're going to step over on the right hand side, curving that line up. And then we'll do the same thing as we step over on the left. Let's come around on the right. We're going to curve this line out, replicating that on the side. And then again, as we move over, curving this line across. From here, let's draw on our web pattern. So we're going to curve this down. We're going to bring this back over and through. Let's bring this line across again and in towards the center. Stepping over, let's replicate that. Let's drop down, we're going to curve this down and back in. Moving down again, curving this down and across. And then one last time from that corner, bringing this down, over, and through towards the right. Let's draw in the hands now. So in the center, we're going to curve this line across towards our center finger. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line over, stepping up. Let's replicate that. Let's do the same on the left-hand side. We're going to curve this line over, stepping up, replicating that again. Now from here, we're going to curve this line out and down, moving across, bringing that through. On the left-hand side, we're going to bring this around and then down. Let's step up. From here now, for the first finger, we're going to curve this line down, bringing this over towards the side. We're going to do that 3 times in total. We'll step over on our left hand and replicate that. Now in the middle, we're going to curve this line up towards the top for our center finger this time. And then moving down again, we're going to curve this line over and across, doing that twice. Now we're going to draw in our legs and they're going to be bent. So we're going to come over, stepping down from that corner, curving this around, bending our leg, bringing that in. We're going to do the same on the right. So we're going to curve this around, bringing this through, back down. Now let's close off the foot. So we're going to start on the side, arching this around, bringing that in. And then we're going to do the same on the left, bringing this around, and then in towards the middle. And then closing off the center, we're just going to bring this line down and then back up on the right. Let's close off the ankles now. We're going to curve this line across on both sides. Let's arch this line down now, following the shape of the foot. And we're going to do the same on the left. Now from here, we're going to arch this line up. So we're going to curve this around and over on the side. We're going to replicate that on the left. And now let's move up again, bringing this over towards the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Spider-Man. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.